Living in Miami Beach means enjoying sunshine, ocean views, and bright, open living spaces, but it also means dealing with intense heat and humidity. For homeowners looking to maintain a cool and comfortable indoor environment, managing heat gain is essential. Picture windows, when designed with modern energy-efficient features, offer a smart way to enjoy natural light and views while minimizing unwanted heat. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that don't open or close. Their design focuses on maximizing visibility and natural light, making them a popular choice for homes that want to highlight outdoor scenery. While their expansive glass area might seem like it would increase heat, today's picture windows are engineered to reduce heat gain effectively. One of the key features that helps control heat is advanced glass technology. Modern picture windows often include double or triple pane glass with insulating gas between the layers. This construction reduces the amount of heat that passes through the window, helping keep your home cooler even during Miami Beach's hottest days. Low emissivity coatings are another essential component. These coatings are applied to the glass to reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. This means you can enjoy a bright, sunlit space without the uncomfortable rise in indoor temperature. For Miami Beach homeowners, this balance is especially important for maintaining comfort without overworking your air conditioning system. Another advantage of picture windows is their airtight design. Because they are fixed and do not open, they have fewer gaps where air can leak in or out. This tight seal helps prevent hot, humid air from entering your home and keeps cool, conditioned air inside. The result is a more stable indoor temperature and improved energy efficiency. Placement also plays a role in reducing heat gain. Strategically installing picture windows in areas that receive indirect sunlight or pairing them with shading elements, such as overhangs, landscaping, or interior treatments, can further control how much heat enters your home. Thoughtful placement allows you to maximize light while minimizing heat exposure. Window tinting and glazing options can also enhance performance. Tinted or reflective glass helps reduce glare and limits the amount of solar heat that enters your home. These options are particularly useful in Miami Beach, where strong sunlight is a daily factor. Despite their focus on energy efficiency, picture windows still deliver the aesthetic benefits homeowners love. Their large glass panels create a sense of openness and provide uninterrupted views of the outdoors. This makes your home feel more connected to its surroundings while maintaining a comfortable indoor climate. Energy savings are another major benefit. By reducing heat gain, picture windows help your cooling system operate more efficiently. This can lead to lower energy bills over time, making them a smart investment for long-term savings. In a warm climate like Miami Beach, where air conditioning is used frequently, these savings can be significant. Durability is also important in coastal environments. High-quality picture windows are built with materials that resist corrosion, moisture, and wear caused by salt air and humidity. This ensures they continue to perform well and maintain their appearance over time. Maintenance is simple, which adds to their appeal. With no moving parts and smooth glass surfaces, picture windows are easy to clean and require minimal upkeep. This makes them a practical choice for busy homeowners who want both performance and convenience. While picture windows do not provide ventilation, they can be paired with operable windows to create a balanced solution. This allows you to enjoy airflow when needed while still benefiting from the energy efficiency and light provided by fixed windows. Professional installation is essential to ensure maximum performance. A properly installed picture window will have a tight seal and precise fit, preventing air leaks and optimizing energy efficiency. Ultimately, reducing heat gain is about creating a comfortable, energy-efficient home without sacrificing style. Picture windows offer a solution that combines modern technology with timeless design. For homeowners in Miami Beach, choosing energy-efficient picture windows means you can enjoy stunning views and natural light while keeping your home cool, comfortable, and efficient. even during the hottest days of the year.